It's rainy, windy, and cold. And so I'm going to make beef soup for dinner. I'm going to harvest some mustard spinach and some other leafy greens. So these are the mustard spinach. So it's a cross between like mustard and spinach, and they are really great on like soup. Oh my, it's very cold right now. And so I am going to harvest this plus like some vegetables over there on our raised boxes. There are more tatsoy. I'm wearing boots. Some tatsoy, bok choy, and then joy choy. These two. These are ready. Oh, because it's very windy. But I'm saving this for, I'm going to prepare this for like wrapping. But I'll probably harvest some too. Because they are ready for harvest. These ones are lettuce. So let's start the harvesting before it rains or it gets dark. It's almost like evening, and during this time the days are getting shorter and the nights are longer. Let's harvest the mustard spinach first. Let's go to the other side. These ones are ready too. These are bok choy. Oh my, it's cold. My hands are very cold. Freezing cold. I need to like wash them because it rained. So it rained, so they have like soil. Let's go to the other side. So here's my harvest so far. I'm not sure if you can see. Here's my harvest so far, and then I have more on the other side. I harvested from here the other day, like this tatsoy, as you can see, but there are more again. So it's really good to harvest the leaves. As I've said before, the more you harvest, the more they will give you leaves. Oh my, this one is like down. It went down from this edge. From the wind. It's very windy. I harvest some of their leaves so they're not as like heavy. These are like purple Osaka mustard. This one is like a leaning tower pizza. It's like it's falling because it's too heavy. It's like windy earlier. Here are my harvest. And then like purple. These are like purple Bok Choy. And here are my harvest. Different varieties of leafy vegetables. So this is purple Bok Choy. This is purple Osaka mustard. And then I have here mustard spinach and some Bok Choy and some tatsoi. So this is tatsoi. Tatsoi leaf is smaller compared to, like, say, Bok Choy. And then we have Bok Choy here, and then purple also. So purple Bok Choy. Look at how pretty. And then purple Osaka mustard. So these are the leafy vegetables that I'm going to cook for dinner with beef. So beef soup with vegetables and potatoes. Potato is a vegetable too. So beef soup with leafy greens, with leafy vegetables and potatoes. For the soup, I am using chuck roast, beef chuck roast, and then the vegetables that I harvested from the garden, and some potatoes. So I'll be using like 3 potatoes. These are huge, so 3 should be enough. So these potatoes, the beef chuck roast, and then the vegetables that I picked from the garden. Beef takes a while to cook, so I'm going to cook this for about an hour and a half on low fire. And so while this is cooking, I'm going to do some last minute Christmas shopping, because husband is here too. Husband and Josh, they're here, so they could keep an eye on the beef while it is like being slow cooked. And in like an hour I'll be back. So I sliced the beef. Now I'm going to add the broth and then the seasoning. Now I'm going to run some errands. It's raining. I'm not sure if it's still raining outside. Oh, it's not raining anymore. Perfect. I just need to slice these potatoes. Like that. Then add on to our soup. So here's the beef. I'm just adding so this is slow cooked for more than an hour. I'm back from running errands. Now I'm going to slice the vegetables from the garden. I didn't wash them. I'm going to wash them later, because when you wash them, when you slice, it's kind of like dripping in water. So, this one, I don't need to slice. They're good. These vegetables onto our beef soup. Here's the beef soup with vegetables from the backyard garden. I just need to add the broth. Perfect on a cold winter night. Cold, rainy winter night. So here you go. Our beef soup. In Filipino, we call this nilagang baka. Baka is beef and nilaga means like soup.